Things to do in summer. Hey kids, summer is here and it's time for some fun. Here are 15 awesome activities to make your summer amazing. Let's get started. Go swimming. Cool off by swimming in a pool, lake, or at the beach. Visit a park. Enjoy a day at the park with friends and family. Have a picnic. Pack lunch and have a picnic outdoors with your friends and family. Ride a bike. Explore your neighborhood or local trails on a bike. Camp out. Set up a tent in your backyard or visit a campsite. Make ice cream. Try making homemade ice cream with your favorite flavors. Play sports. Organize a game of soccer, basketball, or another sport. Go hiking. Find a local hiking trail and enjoy the nature. Visit a zoo. Spend a day learning about animals at the zoo. Fly a kite. Head to an open field and fly a colorful kite. Do arts and crafts. Get creative with summer-themed arts and crafts project. Read books. Start a summer reading challenge with new and exciting books. Go fishing. Try fishing at a local pond or lake. Attend a festival. Look for summer festivals or fairs in your area. Stargaze. Lay out a blanket and watch the stars at night. So, what will you do in the summer?
If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.